Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at the Ruger booth. We're going to have Mark Gurney tell us more about the new PC Carbine.
Hey everyone, Mark Gurney with Ruger here. We're in the SHOT Show booth 2018 looking at the new Ruger PC Carbine. A lot of people remember the old PC-9. This is a lot different, but it is a 9mm carbine. First off, with the bolt lock back, it's a takedown gun, so it can stow away pretty compactly. The gun comes from the factory, as you see here, with a Ruger SR9 mag. How's that? Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. But we put a module in the box that's very easily swapped out, and the gun will take Glock magazines. So we have Ruger magazines covered, but we also have the very popular Glock magazine covered. So basically it's a Ruger 1022, all grown up to 9mm, and it takes Glock mags. Important feature of the gun, inside the bolt is a tungsten weight that is not coupled to the bolt. What that does is reduces the amount of recoil you feel in your shoulder. There's not a lot of recoil from the 9mm bullet, but what you feel is the big heavy pound-and-a-half bolt cycling back and forth. So we take that pound-and-a-half, split it into two weights, and it cuts the amount of recoil in half as it bumps into your shoulder. We have an adjustable length of pull by way of spacers. One spacer on the gun, two in the box. Very nice texturing here. You have a Picatinny rail on top. The charging handle is reversible, left to right side. The magazine release is also reversible, left to right side. You've got a great ghost ring sight, protected blade front sight. Barrel is fluted to keep the weight down. You're at 6.8 pounds. And the muzzle is threaded .528 for a sound suppressor. So, we take a Ruger 1022, grow it up to run 9mm, make it take Glock magazines, give it a takedown. We are in production every day on the factory on this. We're making them and shipping them, and it goes across the retail counter for about 500 bucks.
So there it is, the new Ruger PC Carbine. Very nice feeling gun. I think you guys are going to like it a lot. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.